tastes like candy. Hey girl, hello my beautiful queens and welcome to another video. Girl, listen, I know you almost thought it was somebody else, but it's not. It's me coming at you with something a little bit different. So, if you want to see my girl Renedra slay GOLI locks without the 3 bears, stay tuned. It tastes like candy. Okay, get in here, girl.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
Hey, y'all. Girl, listen. Thank you so much for staying all the way to the end of the video. Listen, I love... Let me give you a 360. I love this unit. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. In the very beginning, before we put the bump in, I wasn't too sure. But this is why. I'm going to talk about this every single video. This is why you need a good stylist. And I know a lot of people, they want to do, especially in the age of watching YouTube, we all want to do everything ourselves. But this is the reason why I go to the salon. Even people say, why would you go to the salon to do a lace front wig? This is why. There's no way I could have made this wig look this good. Now, when I very first put it on, I was like, oh, this color. I don't like this color. I didn't like it. She bumped it. She put the curls in it, and it's absolutely beautiful. Now, listen, this is only what Gots to be, but look, it ain't going nowhere. It's gorgeous. I love it. I just got to give you a twirl one last time. So, listen, shout out to Wavymy Hair for this absolutely gorgeous, beautiful unit. I will make sure that I put below in the description box. Wait. I'll make sure I put below down in the description box all of the juicy details for the unit and the color. I told you guys I wanted to do something a little bit different in 2022. So here you go. You can't get no more different than this. I'm going to try to keep it for at least one day. At least one day. I'm going to try. But listen, girl, I absolutely love this hair. Listen, get down below in the comments. Let me know what your thoughts are. What do you think about the color? I love it. Shout out to this sponsor of this video. Thank you so much for making a quality unit. And also for being willing to collaborate and work with me. I love this hair. It's beautiful. I love the website. It was very user-friendly, very easy. And it was a perfect fit. Very easy to curl. I love it. Okay, so listen, beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? Make sure you get down below in the description box for all of the details. And I will see you in the next video. I love this hair. Oh, let me make sure ain't nothing falling out. Okay.